Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a beautiful song here from Hayden. It's called Burning Out. Alright, so we have this chord setup with very easy chords. We don't need any cape for this, so that is great. Let's take a look at the chords. We have first the C, so that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have the G, so that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have E minor, so that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And A minor next, so that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And then finally we have the D, and we will look at two different variations of it because we're going to use both. The first one is the standard D, like this. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. Okay, and then we have the D like this. So we're going to use that in the pre-chorus. It looks like a C, and you just move it up towards your body here, 2 frets, and land on this position. That gives us fifth on A, fourth on D, open G, third B, and open E. Okay, so that is the D used in the pre-chorus. Now let's take a look at the different parts, and we'll start with the verse. The chord progression here will be C, G, D, and E minor. This standard D grip. All right, so C, G, D, and E minor. The first verse here, it will just play 1 down per chord, so it's very still like this. A big pause in between, and you do that for 2 rounds. All right, then we'll go into the pre-chorus, the first one. Now you gonna play 4, not 4 really downs, but more downs of it. The bass is now to add up to 4. Instead of having 1 down and a big pause, you have 4 downs or beats into this part. Now they will split a little bit differently here. We'll start with C3 and then this D1. Okay, so that makes up for the first part. So 1, 2, 3, and the D 1 time there. Then you go over to the E minor and play 3 downs on that one, and then the standard D for 1. So E minor, 2, 3, D. And then you play the G 4, and then the standard D 4. So G, 2, 3, 4, and D, 2, 3, 4. All right, so you're gonna play that for only 1 round. I'm gonna play that for you without speaking and interrupting so you hear how it sounds. Let's go. All right, so from here on you're gonna play the chorus next. So this chorus is with the chord progression A minor, C, G, and D. Okay, and you're just gonna play in the same way as you started with the verse, with 1 down per chord. So A minor, big pause, C, pause, G and D in the end there. And that is the first round. The second round here, the second verse, you're gonna play with the same chords, but you just add up to 4 downs per chord there instead of 1. So C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, and E minor, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you can choose to go that route, or you can choose to play a little bit more of the background music, which will be double up there, so that will be 8 downs per chord instead. So you can choose to go there. And the piano, I think it's used in this song here, is having these 4 downs rhythm here per chord. We can choose to go with 8, and that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, G. Either way, you're gonna play this for 2 rounds, and that's your first verse. Over to the second pre-chorus, and this is played in the exact same way as the first one, so no changes there. And then you have the chorus. Now you will add up again with the same chords, but 4 downs instead of 1. So 4 downs per chord here, or you can choose to go up with this 8 downs per chord if you follow the background music here. But if you follow the piano there, go 4 downs per chord with the same chords: A minor, C, G, and D. All right, so after the second chorus comes the post-chorus part, and that is played in the same way as the chorus. Same chords, same kind of strumming there, so no changes. After this post-chorus part, we have the bridge part come up, and that is again the same chords as the chorus. You just continue here with A minor, C, G, and D, so no changes there. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds. Okay, perhaps I forgot to mention the post-chorus part, only 1 round there, and then follows this bridge part, 2 rounds of the same strumming, 4 downs per chord: A minor, C, G, and D. After this bridge part comes the final chorus. Okay, so that is played in the same way as the second chorus, which means 4 downs, or if you add up to the 8 with the same chords. So you understand now, it's pretty much from the second chorus and on, it's pretty much the same chorus play there, just different parts. After this third and final chorus, we have this final post-chorus part. And this one is played with the same chords, now only 1 down per chord. So this will be A minor, C, G, and finally D for only this one and final round. And that wraps it up, boys and girls, for Hayden's Burning Out. Very beautiful song here. Give it a try. Easy to play on guitar as well. Easy chords. No additional setup there, just plain, and yeah, ready to play and master this song. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know, leave a comment or like on this tutorial, and until next time, play tuned.